The narrator of this series isn't a person. She started as a tiny, local text-to-speech model. Then this feature cloned her into the voice you're hearing right now. This 13-second clip is her entire origin story. The words are strange on purpose. They cover nearly every sound in English. Listen.
The joyful boy saw 30 birds glide south over the azure bay, while Ruth's father measured good dark wood by the shore. Church bells rang at 5:30 that June evening. And now, how strange, this view has changed.
Before any of that, one rule. Point the cloner at a file that was never consented and the system refuses. 403, no exceptions. Not a terms of service checkbox, a gate enforced in code. Here's the same sentence 3 ways. Piper, fast, flat, dependable.
Same identity, new range. This voice was born on this machine.
Kokoro, smoother, still fixed voices. Same identity, new range. This voice was born on this machine. And the Chatterbox clone.
Same identity, new range. This voice was born on this machine.
One more thing about that voice. Sometimes a clone stumbles, repeats itself. So every line gets transcribed back by a local whisper model and checked against the script. A bad take never reaches your ears. It listens to itself before you do. Voices are half the foundry. Pick a mood with chips, or type plain English, and the Polish pass rewrites it into the tag language the model actually understands, before you spend a second of GPU time. A-step, 3.5 billion parameters, full songs with or without vocals, right here. "90 seconds later. This is the track it made. It's the bed music for this entire series. And the effects lab. Rain on a tin roof, distant thunder. Type it, get it. Everything the Foundry makes files itself into your library, automatically. One song, one voice, made from each other. Next episode, drop that song into the system and get a whole music video back. One machine, no cloud.